Have you ever worked hard for something, even when no one believed in you? Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and belief in yourself. In today's story, you'll read about a girl who followed her dream. We will use the past perfect continuous tense to show how long she had been working before success came. Listen carefully to the story, enjoy the message, and then learn some new phrases to improve your English. Let's begin. Part 1. Motivational Story, Past Perfect Continuous. Title: The Dream Runner. Ria had been dreaming of becoming a marathon runner for years. She had been training every morning before sunrise, even when the weather was cold or rainy. People around her had been saying it was impossible, but Ria didn't give up. She had been running miles each day, eating healthy, and reading about running techniques. By the time the city marathon arrived, she had been preparing for more than a year. Her body was strong, her mind was focused, and her spirit was unstoppable. When she finally crossed the finish line, she cried with joy. She had been believing in herself when no one else did, and that made all the difference. Part 2. Vocabulary plus repeat after me practice. New words and phrases. Had been dreaming, meaning continuous dreaming in the past before a certain point. She had been dreaming of becoming a marathon runner. Used to show a long-time wish in the past. Repeat after me. I had been dreaming of success. Even when the weather was cold, meaning doing something despite difficulty. Even when the weather was cold or rainy. This shows determination. Repeat after me. I worked hard even when I was tired. Didn't give up, meaning didn't stop trying. Ria didn't give up. This shows strong willpower. Repeat after me. I didn't give up, and I won. Had been preparing, meaning practicing or getting ready for something over a long time. She had been preparing for more than a year. Used to describe long preparation. Repeat after me. I had been preparing for this moment. Believing in herself, meaning trusting herself. She had been believing in herself. Confidence and self-trust. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. Always. If this story inspired you, don't forget to practice the new phrases every day. Tell me in the comments. What have you been working on lately? Like, share, and follow for more motivational stories with simple English. And remember, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in yourself.